Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off touch sound setting. Guys, this touch sound setting guys you want to off in your Vivo phone, so you can off easily. In this video I will show you touch sound setting how can be off. So I first of all open your phone setting to off this touch sound setting. Then guys sound setting, click, then guys click on touch sound. So you can see touch sound in Vivo phone, so you want to off, so you can off from here. When you will off, then guys you cannot see this touch sound. So I think friends you have understood how to off this touch sound setting in Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to off touch sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.